Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about writing a multi-step inequality for a real-world situation. This problem says, for her exercise today, Heather plans to both run and swim. Let R be the number of laps she runs, and let S be the number of laps she swims. Each lap she runs, so runs takes her 4 minutes, and each lap she swims takes her 2 minutes. She wants to exercise for at least 40 minutes today. Using the values and variables given, write an inequality describing this. So how would we describe how long it takes her to run one lap? It would be 4 times 1. 2 laps, it would be 4 times 2. R laps is going to be 4 times R, or 4R. Right? She's going to take, say she ran 3 laps. It would be 4 times 3 would be 12 minutes. In order to find the time it takes her to swim the laps she swims, it's going to be 2 times the amount of laps she swims. If we add those, what do we want those to be? Less than or greater than or equal to? We want her to swim for at least 40 minutes. So this total time we want to be more than or greater than or equal to 40 minutes, because it says at least. Okay, so this is our equation or inequality for this given situation. Now let's do this one. At Steve's auto shop, it takes him 15 minutes to do an oil change, and 22 minutes to do a tire change. Let X be the number of oil changes he does, and let Y be the number of tire changes he does. So if he does 2 oil changes, it's going to be 30 minutes. So if we take 15 times X, that's how long it will take him to do X amount of oil changes. If we take 22 times Y, that's the amount of time it will take him total to do Y number of tire changes. Using the values of the variables given, write an inequality describing how many oil changes and tire changes Steve can do in less than 2 hours, which we have to change to minutes because X and Y is in terms of minutes. So all of this time added up, we want it to be less than 120 minutes. So this is the inequality we write for this situation. And that's your examples on writing a multi-step inequality.